We're going to the pasture now, and the babies are coming now. I have 58 bison, expecting about 19 or 20 babies here in the next several months. And the reason you have that many is you don't process them till they're about 2 years old. Most of the time they're grazing and they're happy. I wean them when they're about 6 to 8 months old, but if I don't get one wean, yes, they will drink milk from their mother till they're about 8 or 9 months old, till she kicks them away because she's ready to have her new calf. They don't mind the heat and they don't mind the cold. If it snows, it lays on their back till they shake it off. Every hair on them is hollow, and it's like an insulation, or it keeps them cool in the summer. They'll pick and choose what they want to eat, what's nutritious, and even if there's poisonous grass out there, they know not to eat it. How they know that, I don't know, but they do. Bison meat is very lean, low in cholesterol. It's a healthy meat.